Hey guys! Welcome to IQ Search Channel. What is the value of the expression 6 times 4 to the power of 2 minus 10 inside the parentheses whole to the power of 2? Then minus 3 to the power of 2 and finally multiply 4. Looks complicated, but one step here changes the whole answer. Alright, to solve this question we need to follow the order of operations, which is PEMDAS. PEMDAS shows the priority of mathematical operations. In this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. Multiplication and division have the same level of priority. Also, addition and subtraction have the same level of priority. When we have both in an expression, we start from the left and simplify the question. As you can see on the screen and in this expression, first we have multiplication sign, then parentheses followed by an exponent, and minus sign, then again exponent, and finally multiplication. According to PEMDAS rule, first we simplify the parenthesis, because parentheses has higher priority than all other operations. Inside this parentheses we have an exponent and subtraction. First we do exponent because after parentheses, exponent comes before subtraction. And simplify this expression as 6 times, open parentheses 4 times 4 equals 16 minus 10 close parentheses whole to the power of 2. Then minus 3 to the power of 2 and finally multiply 4. We have 16 minus 10 inside the parentheses. So, first we do subtraction between 16 and 10, and rewrite this expression as 6 times 16 minus 10 equals 6 to the power of 2. Then minus 3 to the power of 2 and finally multiply 4. Next we have 6, which is inside the parentheses whole to the power of 2. So first we perform exponent and rewrite this expression as 6 multiply 6 times 6 equals 36 minus 3 to the power of 2 then times 4. Now in this expression we have multiplication, subtraction, and exponent and finally multiplication. So first we perform exponent because exponent has higher priority than all other operations. Instead of this expression, we write 6 times 36 minus 3 times 3 equals 9 then times 4. Now, we have multiplication, subtraction, and finally again multiplication. First we do multiplication because multiplication comes before subtraction. We do multiplication between 6 and 36 and write this expression as 6 times 36 equals 216 then minus 9 times 4. Now we have subtraction and multiplication. We do multiplication between 9 and 4 because multiplication comes before subtraction. And simplify this expression as 216 minus 9 times 4 equals 36. Finally, 216 minus 36 equals 180, and this is the final answer to this expression. Comment your answer below, and subscribe for more mind-bending math challenges.